I found the coolest adult shorts niche on all of YouTube. This channel has 760,000 subscribers, and of course monetization is present. According to Social Blade, the author earns from $400,000 to $6,500,000 every month. You will need a minimum of knowledge and a little patience, and then you will be able to do the same because it is very, very simple. I analyzed the niche, learned all the subtleties, and now I will show you how to create such content in just 5 minutes a day, and soon you will be the main competitor in this niche. First of all, an idea is needed for any video, and for this we will turn to neural networks. It can be both Google Bard and ChatGPT. I choose Google Bard. I go to the site and I need to log into my account. I do this using a Google account by entering my username and password. The next thing I have to do is explain to Google Bard what I need from it. For this I write, generate us some amazing historical facts that no one knows. After the request was given, I need to wait a bit and I got 10 different facts. I like the first one, so I will use it. I chose a fact, and now it is important for me to voice it. There are many different possibilities for voice generation in the open spaces of the software, but we will use a proven method. And of course I was talking about 11 Labs. I log into their neural network. I need to log into my account. I go through my Google account. The advantage of this neural network is that it is free for 10,000 characters. Immediately after entering, I choose a voice. It is important to take a male, clear voice. I chose and go to Google Bard, copy the facts I like, and paste it into the neural network. After that, I click on the Generate button and wait for the end, after which I save it to my PC. Now we will generate images for our video, but again, we do not need to invent anything. I have already done everything for you. See further. I used Leonardo AI to create it. I have signed up for my account. You will receive 150 tokens every 24 hours. Next, I go to Google Bard, enter the facts that I have chosen, and ask you to write me 6 to 7 prompts for it. After some time, he paints everything. We copy the first fact and return to Leonardo, select image generation, then insert our prompt and choose the appropriate generation style. Also, do not forget to set the resolution to 916. It remains to click on the generation and wait for the pictures to be ready. Select the one you like and download it to your PC. You do the same with the others. Now it's time to turn it all into one video, so let's get started. We go into CapCut and create a new project. After that, we need to import all the prepared files that we have made. I save them in a separate folder. Now I add a voice from the neural network to the timeline, and already on top of it, I put all the pictures one at a time. It's important to shorten their length, which is what I'm doing. After it's ready, it's important to add different transitions so the video will look more interesting, and when I'm done, I go to the Effects tab, and there I'm looking for an interesting option. After trying one, I didn't like it, I found another. Well, the final step is to add subtitles. You don't need to write them yourself. Go to the Text tab and select Automatic Subtitles. After generating them, we change the font, enlarge it, make settings that you think are beautiful, and be sure to add animation. I will also move the text itself to the center. And that's it, the video is ready. It remains to export it to your PC. Let's see what we've managed to create.
The world's first computer bug. It wasn't a software glitch, but an actual moth. In 1945, Grace Hopper, a pioneer in computing, found a moth stuck in a relay of the Mark II computer, causing it to malfunction. This event led to the term debugging, for fixing errors in computer programs.
We managed to create such a video. Thank you all for watching. Do not forget that you need to work hard and you will succeed. Put likes, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. See you soon.